Welcome to Alpha LED. Today we are installing high bay lights in a warehouse. So we've just converted 400 watt halogen high bay lights into a 150 watt conversion times 6. We've actually taken 2 out, so there was 8 in total. Now we're only looking at 6. We don't need lights across the rack because we have high output light now throughout the whole warehouse. So look, if there's something there you want to look at energy saving wise, Alpha LED, we can come and do an energy audit on your building, and then we can come in and give you those energy saving benefits, as well as potentially a heck of a lot more light, which will give you the ability to see what you're doing. This is actually a trailer manufacturing plant, so really good. Great result, very happy. And give us a comment in the box below if you would like anything looked at regarding energy saving throughout your commercial buildings. Alpha LED solutions providers, and it's what we do. We save energy and we deliver the goods. High premium, 5-year warranty, all of that type of stuff. So give us a call. Have a great day.